guys, in today's Python video, this is our class 5, and in today's video, I am telling you about the Python variables. So yeah, we are learning about that. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's Python video, I am telling you about the Python variables, and this is our class 5. So let's learn about the Python variables. So let's learn about that. Variables. So first of all, let me tell you what are variables. Variables are containers for storing a data values. Like, let me give you some example. This is one container. This is one container, and I am storing a data values like this one container. This one diary. This is I make this container, and this I am storing a data values like that. So then I have been closes. This is called what? Variables. Okay, like in the sugar box, you put a sugar. So the box is container and the sugar is the data value. Okay, creating variables. Creating variables. Python has no command for declaring a variable. No command. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. For example, x equals to 5, y equals to double commas in John, and this one variable has been made it. If I copy this variable and I open my Visual Studio Code and then I make a file, new file, then I write like here tut5.py, then enter press, then on the document I make a file, and here you can see it. In the document I make one file and it's by x and space, and it give me the indentation error. So let me erase this indentation error, then save it and then run it from here. Then it give me 5 and John. Why it give me 5 and John? Because I here write x equals to 5, then y equals to John, and in the third and fourth line I say print the x and print the y. If I say print the z, and in the z I write like here port with and @gmail.com. Save it and run it. So it gives you the error. You can see it. Like if I erase it, because only 2 variables are being stored and not more than 2. Here you can see it. Now erase it, save it and run it. So it gives me the hairs again. Variables do not need to be declared with any particular type and can even change type after they been set. For example, like that, here you can see it. If I copy it and if I paste it, oh, okay. Let me close this and let me go here and let me go here, copy it, erase it and then paste it. When I paste it, so okay, it's a type of int. It is come on the up 4, then paste it and then copy it. It give you the error, indentation error that has been given you. If I backspace, it not give me the error because I have solved the indentation error. Save it and run it. So it give me the CLE. Here you can see it. Why it give me the CLE? Because if I write here John, okay, very very tough name, okay, like John. Why John is only coming? Why this is not coming? Why? Because in the first line I say x is the type of integer int, and number 2 the x is a type of str, and the variable support the str, that why give me the John. Casting. If you want to specify the data type of a variable, this can be done with casting. Like if you write this type of code and run it, it gives you the error because I not solve the indentation error. Then when I save it and run it, so it give me nothing. Why? Because I do not write print x, but this one for example, like in the first line I say x will be 3 and y will be 3 and z will be also the 3. Here you can see it. Get the type. You can get the data type of a variable with a type function. For example, like here, when I copy it and when I paste it, and save it and run it. It give me like class int and class str. Here you can see it. Like simply as it give me, because I asked the Python, please tell me the type of. Here you can see it give me like the class int and class str. If I remove this type and I only write like this, so it only give me the 5 and John. Here you can see it. Because if I write like type, give me the type, please tell me the type, should give me like class int and str. Here you can see it. You will learn more about the data types and casting later in this tutorial. Single or double quotes. String variables can be declared either by using single or double quotes. For example, here you can see it. When I copy it and when I paste it and when I erase it, when I save it, and then it should give me like it give me nothing. Here you can see, because I do not write print x. Now in the second line is the same as, here again is the same as. Case sensitive. Variables names are case sensitive. For example, this will create two variables. Here you can see this will create two variables. If I copy it, this will create two variables, a and a. Here you can see it. When I save it and then it should give me nothing because I do not like print. Now in the third line I say capital A will not overwrite capital A will not overwrite a small a. Here you can see it. So here you can see it. In today's video I told you about the variables. Okay, this is the Python videos are very smaller because Python is very simple, and that's why there is no very explanation, but you must know what are variables. Variables are containers for storing a data. Like let me give you one example. There is one box, and there in the box there are salt. So please tell me what is a container and what is a data value. So you can write on the comment. So let me tell you what is the container and what is a data value. The box is a container and the salt is a data value. Okay, because in the box there is a salt. So salt is the box is storing the salt. So here this type of one example, and let me give you one more example. Like if I say in the paint, I open, and in the paint, like this is one box, this one in box, this is one box, and in this box there is salt. No, salt not let me think. Salt and sugar, I have already given you this example. Let me think. Okay. Okay, I think let me water. Okay, so in this in the means, like one example, this is one glass. What? This is glass. Okay, this is one glass, and in this glass there is some water. Let me take one paint, and in the blue color I give the paint. So this is a water. Okay, and let me tell you this is the water. And now this water. So the glass, what is the glass? Glass is a container. Glass is a container and water is a data value. Here you can see this is one type of example I have shown you. So here you can see it. This is very simple. The variables are, so here you can see it. In today's video I tell you about what are variables. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also. And if you genuinely appreciate my work, so please let your friends know about this course too. And if you do not check my whole playlist yet, so move on to the devrayan.com or my YouTube channel, so you can easily access my playlist. So for today, goodbye.